So I wanted to show you all how I have built our home, the cafe building in Sims, and this is just really to give us some ideas as to what it's going to look like and kind of how we want to have the different rooms laid out. There's just a lot of space obviously in this building. We believe it's about 10,000 square foot. That's what it says on some of the papers anyways, and so that it could be a little less than that, might be a little more than that, but it's around 10,000 square foot of space. And so I've learned with Sims that you really can't do like an exact as far as measurement goes. You can't get the exact dimensions in Sims that the rooms are in real life. And so, you know, everything that you'll see in these rooms obviously won't be exact. So I built out both the first level, as you can see here, and so I'll try to, during this video, to add some pictures of the actual rooms that you're seeing as well. This video, I'm not going to kind of walk through the whole, I won't walk through the whole building. I just, here at the beginning, wanted to give you kind of a quick look at what I have built out. You know, some of the rooms have some furniture and stuff like that. Again, just to give us ideas of two ways we could set it up. But for the most part, it's just, you know, the basic form of the room is up. So what I want to show you in this video, though, is what right now is the kind of the focus of the actual construction. Well, it's all on pause right now. I haven't really worked on anything over there for months. So what I've been working on when I stopped was this space here. And this is going to be the master bedroom, master bathroom area, and this is on the second floor. The unfortunate thing about all of this space up here, so the second floor space that is all of these rooms here, is that the ceiling, well, let me do this. I'm going to do another view. Oops. So in actuality, the roof has a slope that goes, it starts out lower on the back end of the building, and then as it goes up, it rises toward the front. And so the ceiling actually, the roof actually, you know, gains some height. And what that means is that back here toward the back end of the building where the master bedroom and bathroom is going to be, the ceiling height is very low. What I'm going to have to do when I start working again in there is I'm raising all the rafters. I'm basically restructuring the roof support on this back end of the building where these couple rooms on the back end of the building are. I'm raising the roof support, restructuring it so I can add some ceiling height in there. And that's sort of a monotonous and pain in the butt process. But I think in the end it's going to be worth it. There's only so high we can go, and I'm putting 2x12s in there and taking out the trusses that were in there. It's, you know, it's not raising a crazy amount of height here toward the back anyways, but I am going to follow the slant of the roof. So as it goes along toward the front of the building, like these rooms, which I think this will be the master bathroom where it is, it's going to have more ceiling height over here than the master bedroom actually does. And yeah, I think it'll be plenty of space. It's not going to be super high ceilings like we have, you know, in some of the rooms down here. We have very tall ceilings in some of these bigger rooms. Unfortunately, there's only so much height we can add back here, and this is the spot that I really thought this was going to be the best spot for the master bedroom, so we're just kind of working with what we have, and I think it'll work out fine. So the way I have it is you have the dining room here. This is, of course, on the first floor. So you have the dining room, then we have, in the dining room, there's a staircase. Yep, so here's the dining room, there's the staircase that will lead up to the second floor. Yeah, as you can see, it is all very much a mess right now. It's a mess. It's obviously, it's not going to be this wide in real life. This is just as close to the actual staircase as I could get it. But yeah, so the dining room has a staircase that leads up to sort of this mezzanine balcony area here. So here in the actual building there's the staircase. That down there is where the dining room will be. This is, yeah, you can see better from up here just how much of a disaster this is. Again, I haven't done anything as far as working back here for months. Yeah, that'll be the dining room. Then you got the staircase there that will lead you up here to the second floor. There's the kind of the mezzanine balcony area that's going to wrap around, and we'll look down on the dining room below. So this is one of the areas that I'm most excited about. We'll have railing all the way around, so it'll be opened. The second floor will be open down to see the dining room below. So then you'll have the door into what will be kind of a hallway a little bit, and then that will go back and open up into the master bedroom area here. This is where, on the second floor here, this is where you will enter into the master bedroom. So the door will be here, and the wall of the hallway will come about where this bottom plate stops. And then this section here will be the master bathroom. This wall here in the hallway, this wall was made out of, I think it's 2x8s or 2x10s. I went back in and I kind of made it to where, I'll show you some pictures here, made it to where my plan is to put some like built-in bookshelves. And so this wall won't be as it is here. It won't just be a blank wall. There will probably be varying opinions about if this is a terrible idea or not, but I added a window. My plan, at least, is to add a window here that I already have framed in. And you can kind of see that this opens up into one of the other living rooms down below. And I don't know, I thought having a window here might be a nice touch. There's windows here to the outside of the building, and it lets in a lot of daylight. And so I thought some of that daylight would possibly transfer over into this room and just brighten it up a bit. And since it is kind of, the way I've designed it, there's a bit of a hallway back into the master bedroom. I thought having that window there might make it feel a little bit, less claustrophobic and dark hallway-like, and make it feel more open, bring hopefully some natural light in there. What I want to do, I really want to have a lot of closets and storage space. Right now, the building is huge, obviously, but it doesn't have very many good places for storage at the moment. And so I really want to work stuff like that into the design all throughout the building, try to get a lot of places for storage and closets and things like that. And so what I want to do is to have in this hallway, have some sort of little closet here, and might be more of a shoe closet, coat closet. And then also here we'll have a area where there's a double closet. So we'll have a closet for my wife that'll be right here for Faith, and this will be a bit bigger one. And then over here on this side will be another closet. So yeah, so here's kind of the layout. You'll have this hallway that goes back and opens up. None of the obviously furniture coloring even is accurate necessarily. These are just kind of ideas. And I'll probably continue to show you guys as I go in here and plan out this room a little bit more what it's actually going to be like. But I will have this. I know I will have these two walls here, the brick exposed, and so that will look fairly close to that. And then I do want to have this isn't here again, this door, but hopefully someday I want to have a like a little balcony that extends off the back area. And so, yeah, I'm hoping to put both a door of some sort and then a window on this wall. So, yeah, this will be a pretty big bedroom. I can't remember what the dimensions are. I think it's roughly like a 20 by 20 or so foot bedroom, something like that. It might be a little bit bigger than that, actually. And then the bathroom is going to be pretty big as well. So, yeah, all this is just a very rough look at to give you a rough idea of at least this section here. And my thought is that I'll come in and try to do a more accurate design in these rooms and even lay out a little bit better where the tub and shower and all that will be. I think this might be fairly close, but unfortunately with Sims right now, I think I can buy different packs that give you more different shower options, different toilet options, different sink options, and different, kitchen appliances and things like that. It's very limited right now, what I have. So I want to put like a built-in, we want to put like more of a built-in shower here. It won't look anything like this. This is pretty rough looking, and it's not how it will look in the end. But this is more just to give a rough idea of what the room will look like. And I might even bring this wall here might change as far as where it's going to be. I might bring it in or out. So the last thing I'll show you today, which is very much up in the air as far as what we will even do with this, is this room here. So through the master bedroom, you can go, there's actually a door here that brings you into another balcony. And that takes you into this little room. So this is just a really small room that we might use as a little bedroom, a guest bedroom, might just use it as an office. So yeah, the last thing I was going to show you is that I don't know what we're going to do with that space in the end. If you have ideas or suggestions, you can let me know what you think that could be useful for. But yeah, I hope that just gives you at least a basic idea of the building's going to look like and what some of our thoughts are about what we want the inside layout to be like. There's a lot more to show you, and I do plan to continue to show you the designs that I'm doing in Sims. And as I get a better idea and a more accurate idea of what the layout will be, I'll go in and change these rooms, of course, and I might do some videos while I'm designing some of the rooms. Actually, I thought that might be kind of fun as I'm actually building the rooms out. And then, there's this whole space here that's in a completely different section that is actually right now it's just attic space, but there's a lot of potential to do a lot here. One of the ideas is even to add like maybe a home theater of some kind up here. If you're interested in seeing the future designing here in Sims, or just seeing our work and the progress we're making, then definitely subscribe to the channel here. We are also on TikTok. Many of you have probably come from TikTok, and so you can also find some shorter videos over there. Yeah, with that, thank you for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video.